In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set 1-inch margins in Canva. This process will help you ensure uniformity and consistency in your designs, perfect for both personal and professional projects. Let's begin by launching your web browser and heading over to Canva's official website. If you're not already logged in, simply click on Login located at the top right corner. Follow the prompt to enter your email and password, or better yet, select Continue, and choose your preferred login method, whether that's using Google, Facebook, or your email. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to open the specific project, poster, or document you want to work on. Browse through your list of designs and select the one you wish to adjust the margins for. Now look towards the top left of your workspace and click on File. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you will find various settings for your design. Next, click on Settings to open up your project's preferences. You should see options regarding display and visibility. Here, make sure that Show Rulers and Guides is checked. This step is crucial because it allows the margins to be visible, making it easier to adjust them accurately. With the rulers visible, the next step is to add guides. Click on Add Guides. This option assists you in visualizing where exactly your margins are located on the page. Following this, select Custom. This is an important step because customizing your settings means you can manipulate the design to meet your specific needs without altering other elements of your document. Now we need to zero out the columns and rows values. This action essentially resets the space distribution in your design to ensure that when we set the margins, they're placed per your specifications. After that, navigate to the Margin option. Here you have the ability to specify the size of your margins. In the margin settings, set both the top and bottom as well as the left and right values to 1 inch. If your default setting is in centimeters, adjust these values to 2.54 centimeters instead, since 2.54 centimeters is equivalent to 1 inch. Finally, once your margins are set, click on Add Guides again to apply the changes you've made. This step confirms the placement and size of your new margins. And there you go, your Canva design now has 1-inch margins, ensuring a professional and consistent look across the board. This entire process is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to focus more on your creative process without technical distractions. Thank you for watching, and happy designing in Canva.